Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be, can you hear me? Hey guys, we're gonna be snacking with my mini brand refrigerator. This, if you want to buy this is at Costco. If you want to buy mini brands, they're at Walmart and Target. Target mini brands. Let's get through it. Okay. Instructions. Okay. Sometimes I'm a little funny. Sometimes I so weird. I don't know why. But let's get to it. What are we gonna do? Watch all the things I have. Mini brands refrigerator. Sometimes I sing random songs. I don't know why. My bad. Me and my brother. If you don't know, I have a brother. He's 10 years old. He's about to turn 11. I'm 7 years old. He's 3 years older than me. Okay. Let's get through it. Before we get into it, so there's like this cute little light. And if you press it, it offs. And there's another crazy thing. If you put this down, then it will, instead of offing the light, it'll turn blue. And if you press it, it won't off. Isn't that cool, guys? Yeah, it's really cool. Let's just turn it back to a normal color. Cool cut. It's okay, it's fine. Oh, let's just turn it into a cool color. Cool color. Let's turn it into a cool color. Blue. And I'm having a blue dress. Yeah. That's good. Tweet. We're not going to use these instructions. So, goodbye instructions. That I don't mean instructions. I meant food. But, let's open the food I have. We have this cute little teapot. We have this cute little hot dog. We have this cute little glazed donut. Okay, so let's get to it. It's the magnets for the refrigerator. I got 3 mini brand capsules. I got 3 mini brand capsules. And let's get to it. Okay. So, first of all, we have lamb chops. Those look yummy. I'm also going to be doing what the reviews stars. Sometimes blue coupons. And then I give this a 1 point star out of 10. I don't know why. I just feel like I give this a 2.7. 2.7. I don't like it at all. Guys, hear me out. I don't like it at all. Guys, I need to say something. I'm so hungry. I'm not gonna fall off my chair. Guys, they literally spammed me in this one, and now this one. I needed to restart my video because my daddy was annoying me. My daddy, we have cameras. He keeps saying, "Backyard, someone has been spotted. Backyard, someone has been spotted. Backyard, someone has been spotted. Backyard, someone has been spotted." You guys want to see something? I'm going to show you something. I don't think you guys can see it. Look. So I have this house, which is so pretty. Look at this lot. It's a cute little playhouse. So I'm going to go in it. It's really dark in here, but cute. Some snacks in here, some play, and some this. Cute. Then we have a snack. Because I am hungry. I'm going to have a cute little yummy bar. Yum, 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 yum. Barry, Barry, Barry. I have this raspberry lemon bar. Ooh, let's get to it. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay. Just gonna eat this. There we go, some scissors. Tell me, comment down below what are you gonna be wearing. Comment down below which one you would rather wear. I'm wearing this one. The two was holding, but not these one. Bye-bye. One each hand. I don't know why I'm so distracted, but let's just get on to it. Yeah, I don't care. We don't want to eat. Just spam. It's spam. It's a spam. Every box you see, it's a spam. Okay. Just drizzling sauce. No, guys. I give this. The refrigerator broke a little bit. Just kidding. But that was a big man. Alright. So I give this a 1 out of 1. I like the boxes, but I don't like how they spammed me. So 1 out of 1. They spammed me again too. Why did they give me 2 of the same things? I get 2 out of 2. Comment down below if I did the weird, but I'm just gonna do it again. So, 2. 5 out of 5. I mean 5 out of 10. No. if you start my fruit tasting ball video, I had one of these. It's so good. I want to eat another one, but I don't want to right outside now. Whatever, okay. I think this is honey. I have no idea. But my guess is honey. So I give it a 2.2. 2.2 out of 10. I'm starting to not like mini brands anymore. You know why? We have some salt. 2 out of 2. The soda. 25 out of 10. Sometimes I go higher. Cream cheese. 1,000 out of 10. Jello. 2 out of 2. 2 out of 10, I meant. Lobster. 6.8 out of 10. This. I have a few more left and then I have to leave sadly. This cute little toy. I decided I am gonna play for a little bit. And guys, I am gonna play for a little bit with you guys. But I have to leave. I'm gonna play with you guys for 5 minutes. Sadly, 5 minutes. I have to 5 minutes. I'm not going anywhere. Guys, I'm gonna do the video until my mom calls me. I think she'll call me really early. I don't know what. Okay, let's move on. We have this cute syrups. Firstly, syrups. This is caramel and this is 2 strawberries. I give those 2 out of 2. No, 5 out of 10. There's this cute little stinger. 10 out of 10. Eggplant, 5 out of 5. Oatmeal, 5 out of 10. Oatmeal, 1,000 out of 10. It is like amazing. Like it's the amazingest thing ever in my life. Okay, so next up we have peppermint sausage, I think. Juice. Lollipop. Water. Juice. I give all of them the same rating. 25 out of 10. Yeah, I decided again. I think my cousin is done with this interview because my cousin is at my house right now. And I think he's done because I think I heard him open the door. I really want to see him. I didn't see him a lot today. So, I'm not gonna see him. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Every time a subscriber subscribes, I will post a new video. I changed my description on my YouTube channel. If you don't follow, go check it out. I took some mistakes that I did. But this is all that I'm doing for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, turn on the notification button. Put a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Every time a subscriber subscribes, I'm posting a video in that day or in that week or something. I have to post videos if subscribers subscribe, because I hope I get 1 million subscribers. 50 subscribers. Please get me to 50 subscribers at least. And I need 1 million subscribers. I think when I reach 100 subscribers and 1 million subscribers, I'm doing a party and think I'm gonna beg my parents to do a video in that party. Yeah. I hope you guys, like I said, like this video, subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.